Okay, we're going to the third quarter. What a drive basket for a Team Vivo. Guerrero. Matakim, no good. What a save. Get the shot, in and out. Rebound by number 7. Rebound ng Team Vivo. Pass number 3. Okay, sa corner, catch and shoot, miss. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Guerrero nagpapadali, 1 against 3. Guerrero, pass number 29. Binomba, tumira, wala. Rebound ng Vivo. Ayun na, nagpapadali sa number 19. Number 19, nabitawan. Steal ng Xiaomi. Number 19, didiskarte. Pull up, no good. Rebound again. Makuha ni number 29. Number 29, crossover. Hesi, block. Rebound ng Vivo. Number 7, 2 against 3. What an extra pass. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass number 29. Outlet pass. Binigay sa loob. 3 against 1. 3 against 2. Fadeaway shot and a score para sa Xiaomi. Number 7 na naman nagmamadali. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Patrick Abe. Nabitawan. Steal ng Xiaomi. Number 8, didiskarte. Spin. Drive. What a pass. Binigay. Too strong. Rebound. Makakuha ng Xiaomi. Binigay sa corner. Pass number 8. Drive. Gets the contact. Walang tawag. And basket yan. For jersey number 8. 39-36. Wow, binigay sa corner. Patrick Abae, catch and shoot. Short. Rebound. Ayan na. Si number 8. Gets the 3. Short. Another rebound for Xiaomi. Binigay kay Guerrero. What an extra pass. Basket is good. Official score 40-37. According sa ating official, 3-point lead para sa Xiaomi. Number 7. Binigay. Pass to Pau Pau to number 7. Fake. Pass to Pau Pau. 31. Steal. And gets the 3 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Xiaomi. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Ayan na, tumira sa tres. Yes, sir! By number 13. Ayan na, sa number 3. Number 3, drive, using the board and score. At may sagot agad doon ang Team Vivo. Ayan na, out that pass by Guerrero to number 29. Stop and pump, in and out. Rebound ng Vivo. Number 7, running shot. Bam! 41-43, down by 2. Ayan na, ang Team Xiaomi. Pass number 8, Hesi. Number 8, binigay sa corner. Libre sa 3. Yes, sir! 3-point. Or jersey number 20. Ayan na, babawi. Number 7, running shot, using the board. Basket is good. 46-43. Another steal. Steal para sa Xiaomi. Guerrero drive, umatake. Usa pa, miss. Number 7, get the putback. 48-43. Ayan na ang Vivo. Vivo. Shamgad, number 3, fake. Using the glass, and there is a foul. Oh, steal. Ayan na. Number 7, spin, drive, no good. Rebound. Makuha ni Guerrero. Guerrero nagmamadali. Here comes Guerrero. What an extra pass to number 7. Number 8, fade away. Ooh, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 2. Ayan na. Uy, Patrick Abe. What a pick. What a drive by Patrick Abe. 48-45. Ayan na, binigay kay number 8, De La Cruz. Pass to number 13, 4-3, miss. Rebound by number 19. Pass to De Vivo. One-on-one. Number 7. There's a foul. Out of bound, rather. Same ball. Official score 50-45 according sa ating official. 5 lead para sa Xiaomi. Oh, steal. 48 lang daw po. Nigay, Jericho. Cross-court pass, pick. De La Cruz. Nigay sa corner. Gets the 3. No good. Rebound. Pass to Jericho. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na, si number 19. Number 19, up and under. Miss. Rebound by number 24. Steal by number 2. Number 2. Drive. Basket. 47. 48. 1-point lead for Xiaomi. Jericho. Uy, wala tawag. But this time, may tawag na. Against the corner, 4-3, no good. That's a foul. Time out, Xiaomi. Official score 48-47 in the time remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds ng ating third period. Nadal ng Xiaomi. Ayan. Lamang ng isa ang Vivo. Sorry, the Xiaomi. Back to the ball game. Oh, steal. Guerrero nagmamadali. 2 against 1. Too strong. Wala tawag. Rebound. Out and pass. Number 7. What a pass. Using the board. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na. Ang Xiaomi. Steal. By number 31. Bounce pass. Patrick Abe. Miss. So Guerrero. Bounce pass. Jericho, steal by number 2. Out that pass na naman. What a ball movement. Patrick Abe. With a easy to change favor. Lamang ang isa ang Vivo. Ayan na. What a pass. Oy, no good. Rebound. Mga number 29. Fake. Drive. Finger roll. No good. Rebound by Patrick Abe. Wait lang daw, sabi ni Patrick. Ayun na, binababa ang bola. Patrick, didiskarte. Pass to, on a ball movement, number 7. Binigay, using the board. Hey, yes sir. Napagulong pa. 51-48. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team Vivo. Jericho didiskarte. Jericho. Bigay sa corner. Fake. Bigay. Oh, there's a foul. With number 15. That's Sedial. On the free throw area, number 29. First shot is good. Second shot by number 29. 51-50 in favor pa rin sa Team Vivo. Last 1 minute. Ayan na si number 3. Fake. Pass sa number 31. Binigay. Fake. Drive. Binigay kay number 3. Patrick Abed. Short. Rebound pa rin ng Team Vivo. Number 31. Binigay. Up and under. Fade away. No good. Rebound by Guerrero. Guerrero nagmamadali. Ayan na. 3 against 2. Guerrero. Binigay. Pass to Jericho. Jericho spin. Back to Guerrero. 3 against 3. Jericho. Sorry, that's Guerrero to De La Cruz. And the basket is good. Sorry, that's number 29. Last 13 seconds. Number 2 crossover. The guy. Fake drive and gets the contact. May foul ang tawag para sa Team Xiaomi. Last 5 seconds on the free throw area. Number 15. That's Sebial. First shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 52. Second shot, miss. Rebound, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tira. Gets a shot. Boom. And that's the end of our third quarter. Fish a score all 52 sa pagtatapos ng ating laban ng third quarter. Ayan na, magkakaalaman na tayo sa fourth and last quarter. Ayan, sa mga tune in lamang po. This is elimination round between these two team. Ayan, sa mga ang kanilang standing, 4-1 ang Xiaomi at ang 3-2 naman ang Vivo. Tignan natin kung maitatabla din ng Vivo ang laban at ang standing as well. Makukuha kaya ng Team Vivo ang laban na to? Or magiging tuloy-tuloy ang panalo ng Xiaomi? Alright, fourth quarter, let's go. Jericho, binigay sa corner. 4-3, wow, no good. Out of bounds. Vivo basketball. Binigay sa corner. Pass sa number 3. Binigay. Jump shot, short, rebound ng Xiaomi. Here comes Guerrero. Pass to Jericho. What a nice hook shot for Jericho. Ay na, si Patrick Abe drive. Oh, minamana ni Patrick Abe ang laban. At may sagot ang Team Vivo ron. Galing kay Abe. Guerrero gustong makabawi. Binigay sa corner. Fade away shot. Patay ang butake. Rebound again. Get the round miss. No good. Rebound ng Team Vivo. Number 19 na atake. Spin. Oh, that's a travel. Xiaomi basketball. Guerrero outlet pass. Oopsie. And that's not a stepping on the line. Blue ball. Ayan na ang Vivo. Bigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Oh, miss. Rebound by Guerrero. Pass to De La Cruz. Back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Fake. De La Cruz. What an extra pass. Steal ng Vivo. Out and pass. Pass to Patrick. Abe, bounce pass to number 19. What a easy 2 points for Team Vivo. Balik sa dalawang kanilang alamangan. Again sa Xiaomi. Ooh. It's a technical. Technical free throw para kay jersey number 31. Paulite. No good. Jericho. Pass number 13. Binigay sa loob. Wala ng shot. Wala. Rebound. Oy. It's a foul. Time out. Samsung. Sorry, Xiaomi. Time remaining 6 minutes and 53 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. 56-54, 2-point lead para sa Team Vivo. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Team Vivo rito. Back to the ball game. Bonus shot by Hatupin, number 19. First shot missed. Second shot for Tupin. Tupin, wala. Rebound. What a pass! Oh. Tabla tayo sa 56 all. Pass number 7. Fake to number 31. Floater short. Rebound by De La Cruz. Oh, bad pass. Team Vivo basketball. Number 31. Patrick Abe for 3. No good. Oopsie. Blue ball. No basket. Oh, sorry. It's a traveling. Number 29. Oh, nice move. Get the open space for number 29. Balik ulit sa kanilang kalamangan. Xiaomi basketball. Number 31. Ligay kay Patrick Abe. Up and under. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Steal by number 31. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by number 29. Pass to Guerrero. 2 against 1. Number 10. Basket is good. 60-56. Last 5 minutes. Number 7. Running shot. Sinigurado na. Ang Vivo yun. Down by 2. Ayan na, Guerrero. At may sagot para sa Xiaomi. Si Guerrero. Ayan na, nagpapadali na naman ang Vivo. Block by number 6. Pass to Guerrero. 3 against 3. Guerrero looking for his teammate. 4 against 3. Pass to number 29. Block. Rebound again. Number 29. Easy 2 points. Ayan na. Outlet pass. Uy. Ganda ng pass na naman. Uy, wala. Gets their own miss. Number 7. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. And gets the foul by number 10. Grabe yun. Napakasipag naman ng Team Vivo with the jersey number 7. Hindi ko siya mabasa, sorry. First shot, miss. Ayan na. Second shot, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 7. Block by De La Cruz. Ayan na, si number 2, half step. Block by Guerrero. Ayan na, si Guerrero nagmamadali. Guerrero, what a nice move. Nagje-jelly na si Guerrero. Ayan na, number 19, too strong. Rebound ng Xiaomi. De La Cruz, 2 against 2. Pass to Guerrero, bounce pass to De La Cruz. Pass to number 10. Oh! Nakalusot si number 10. Outlet pass. Another steal for Xiaomi. Guerrero looking for his teammate. Bad pass. Steal ng Vivo. Number 19. Binigay. Uy, nakalusot na naman ang Vivo. 68-60. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Guerrero binigay. Pass to De La Cruz and gets the... Sorry, that's number 29. On the free throw area, number 29 for Xiaomi. Last 2 minutes. Second shot para yung number 29. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin number 29. Side step. No good. Rebound. Number 7. Patrick Abe will recover. Number 3. Uy, walang tawag. Pass to number 31. Top of the key. 4-3. No good. Another rebound. Xiaomi ball. Time out. Vivo. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Back to the ball game. 68-60. Let's go. Ayan na, Guerrero with a finger roll. Wala. Cross-court pass. Number 20, Lobrin. No good. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Ayan na, what an extra pass by Tupin. Baba sa 7. Ang Kalamangan, another steal. Sorry, baba sa 6. Patrick Abe, drop pass, running shot, basket. Ayan na, 4 na lang ang hinahabol ng Vivo, number 10. Pass to De La Cruz, pass to Guerrero. Guerrero, drive, block, gets the contact, by foul, si number 7. 3 shots para kay Guerrero. Last 48 seconds. Guerrero on the free throw area. First shot, miss. Second shot for Guerrero. Ayan na. May papasok ba? Basket is good. 69, 64. Number 7. Ayan na, what a pass. Number 2, too strong. Wala pa rin, rebound. May number 10. Pass to Guerrero. Guerrero, naitawid. Lobrin. Last 22. Inuubos na lamang ang oras. Oh, steal! Ayan na. Number 19. Pass number 2. May papasok pa. Wala. Rebound. Number 19. Wala pa rin. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Wow. Congratulations, Team Xiaomi. And nice game para sa Team Vivo. Alright, our final score 69-64. Manalo po ang Xiaomi, kung kaya sila na po ang aangat sa 5-1. At ito naman ang kanilang ang Vivo naman ang kalam ang 3-3 naman ang standing ng Vivo. Ayan, grabe, kala ko maitatabla ng Vivo ang laban. Alright, muli maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita po tayo next week sa ating laban between our team dito sa team One Team. We innovate, we evolve. That is a smarter, bolder, and stronger. That's our team, the One Team. Alright, and syempre hindi natin makakalimutan ng mga shoutout ng ating butihin, Ma'am Ivy Yang. Shoutout sa ating MC or ECI Group, Mancom. Andyan ang sila Sir Ronald Chan, Ma'am Alma Buentipo, Aubrey Estelier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ang, Nes Garoy, Patricia Dolot, Liobela Sagigit, and kay Miss Hana Kalimon. Ayan, binabati ko rin syempre ang ating bumubo, ang ating mga sponsor. Ayan, nandyan ang Gizmo Central, Semi Incorporation, the One Orange, the Telecommunication Trading Incorporation, the AMMSI, the Achievers Manpower Management Services Incorporation. Nandito rin ang One Drone, One Drone Incorporation. Nandyan din ang XMB Pills Corporation. At syempre, hindi natin makakalimutan ang Ipon. Ayan, that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo next week dito po sa ating live. Hanggang sa muli, good night everyone. Keep safe.